Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this thick egg sauce and yam. This is our typical Nigerian scrambled egg. Yeah, our Niger style scrambled egg. So let's just go ahead and get started.
So here are the things I'll be cooking with: tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, onion, eggs, yam, salt and oil. Let's go ahead and get cooking.
We'll start off by cutting the yam. Just cut it and then peel the skin off. Yeah, I'm just telling you that this head part, I'm going to use it and cook yam and mixed vegetable jagwarago. I'll be on yam diet till this yam finishes. Yeah, so cut out and then peel the skin off. Yeah, peel it off and then cut them to your desired sizes. Cut them equally, okay, so that they can cook evenly. Yeah, and then after that we're going to wash them and then put them in a pot, add some water, cover it up and then begin to cook. At this point, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, just subscribe to my channel, hit on the red button that says subscribe and then hit on the bell notification. This will notify you whenever I upload a new video on this channel. Okay. Then set a pan on fire.
Heat up, add some oil,
add in the onions and the Scotch bonnet. Fry for 30 seconds just for flavor. Okay, yeah, just going to stir that up and then we'll go ahead and add in the tomatoes. Add in the tomatoes and continue frying this. Okay, we're just going to fry the tomatoes till they turn slightly mushy, till all the water goes. Yeah, frying it dry. So while that is frying, we are going to go ahead and prep the eggs. We are going to crack the eggs into a bowl, adding some salt, just a pinch of salt. Whisk that well and then set it aside. And then we're going to go back and check our tomatoes, and it is still frying nicely. Just stir that up, stir it up, and we'll be seasoning with a seasoning cube, just half I used. So season it and then adding some salt as well. Mix it up and then keep frying till all the water goes. Okay, you can see now the water has gone, the oil has separated, and we are adding in our eggs. Just adding the eggs. At this point, please cook on low flame. Yeah, and gently fold this egg in. I still want my thick egg, so, and I know you do too. Just gently fold it in and then keep on cooking them till they turn dried. Yeah.
So at this point, I'm adding in the green chili. Be adding in a little bit of basil just for color. See that fresh pop of color. So guys, the egg sauce and the yam is ready.
This food has gone for Instagram photo shoot. If you have not following me there, go and follow me, okay? Come, let's eat yam and egg sauce.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.